Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dude, Slammed Enough was so sick. Thank you guys so much for coming out. For those of you guys who weren't able to make it, it's all good. You were there in spirit, so I thank you for that. Today, we are going to detail my car. I don't know if you guys saw my last video with the APR splitter install. My coworker Travis helped me with detailing my car and getting it ready. Thankfully, Travis was so kind enough to let me borrow his orbital, his nano skin clay bar, and just a lot of his detailing products so that I can make a video and attempt to tackle this myself just for you guys. So as you guys can see, I already have the car pretty much washed up. I'm gonna go ahead and lube it again. It dried up a little bit, so I'm gonna wet it again with the sponge and then go ahead and use the nano skin. So if you guys don't know what nano skin is pretty much your average clay bar, but it's not. It is a microfiber. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. So check it out. That's what it looks like. Well, the box. And here is the clay bar. So the cool thing about this is Travis said you can drop it and it's okay because you can just rinse it off and continue to keep using it. I'm gonna go ahead and lube up the car one more time and see if we can do this. It's already pretty smooth because we clay barred it before the show, but I'm just gonna go over it one more time. Damn, it's super smooth. It's crazy how smooth it is. Super fucking nice. So Travis said he recommends you doing a clay bar to your car once a month, which isn't gonna harm the paint either. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Super smooth. That means it's still good from the first clay bar. When you start hearing some resistance, that's when you know that spot needs to be clay barred. I know for sure the top still needs some, so let's go ahead and tackle it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So this needed to be clay barred, so that's good. All right, guys, so I went ahead and grazed a few spots all around the car, and it's still super smooth, which means that the clay bar from the first time was a success, and we waxed it, so it's still super smooth. Now I'm gonna continue to rinse, dry it, and then we're gonna get to the fun part, which is using the orbital. Super stoked to use that, so let's get it. Car is pretty much dry from what I can see, at least. Pretty damn shiny. Woo! All right, next we are going to grab the orbital. Thank you again, Travis, for letting me borrow this. This thing works wonders. If you guys don't know what an orbital is, it is a polisher. Oh, this isn't even an orbital. This whole time I thought it was an orbital because I worked at Harbor Freight back in the day, and they had a brand called Orbital, I think. This is way better. Well, anyways, what we're gonna do is get the polishing pad. We don't need to buff, to be honest, because the clay bar already did all the work and the car was already pretty damn smooth to begin with. So I believe it's this one because it's softer for sure. We're gonna clean this off real quick, attach it to the polisher, and then we're gonna put maybe like 2 dime-sized dots. Let's go ahead and check this out. Hold up, guys. I'm hella dumb. I don't know if I'm gonna be polishing or waxing. I don't even know if that's the same thing, to be honest. We are actually going to be waxing the car. So we're gonna use HD epoxy hybrid wax protection. The coolest thing about wax, especially this one too, Travis told me that you can reapply this over and over. So you can put this on top of already existing wax. So that's pretty fucking cool. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be waxing. Some ASMR for you guys. We're not gonna be putting any on the car. We're gonna put it on here. So let's start off with that. This is fine right here. Dab a little on the car. And then here's some ASMR for you guys. know if you guys can see, but you're supposed to have it leave this kind of pattern. There's still spots I have to hit, but I'm just showing you guys once you leave this, it's gonna get hazy. Once you're done with the whole car and it's all hazy, you get a microfiber and you wipe it all down until it is completely off. I got most of it, and then we can go ahead and start wiping with microfibers. Finally finished. What do you think? No streaks whatsoever. Oh my God. That reflection is beautiful. Oh my God. Damn. Front bumper looking absolutely flawless. Honestly, it's the best thing ever when a black car is super black and clean. Oh. I remember before me and Travis hit my trunk, there was so many little specks, and now look at it. Oh my Lord, it is freaking perfect. Damn. Don't hate too hard. I'm not a pro at detailing. It's my first time tackling it. And honestly, the way I see it is once you get more experience, you're gonna get more comfortable and better at it. It's still one of those things where you should just take your time, which is pretty much the bare minimum when it comes to working on your car. You're always gonna spend a lot of time. Missed the spot. But yeah, I think once you get a little more experience and familiarize yourself with better products, more product knowledge of certain things, you'll get really good at it. Just like when it comes to working on your car. You can pretty much do anything if you have the right tools. So same goes for detailing. If you have the right tools, the right products, you can definitely make it happen. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that. Looks so good. It's getting a little dark now, so there's not much I can do. We'll go ahead and pick this video back up tomorrow. I'll see you then. All right, guys, it is the next day, and today we finally get to see the merch get printed. If you guys have seen from the previous vlogs, I am at All Aspects warehouse right now. They also own 2 more companies in this facility. They have KTG Printing, which prints for a lot of different brands and YouTubers, including myself. And they also own Fuego Stickers, which is where we got a lot of our laminated stickers printed. They're out here hustling. The grind never stops for them, so that's super sick. They're gonna print our shirts today. They're gonna let us film and shoot some photos, so can't wait. Right now I'm just waiting for Arnold. Where's this guy?
What up, guys? It's Cassandra's here. Getting some mental shirts for the boy Jason, you know?
Ooh.
First run. Excited?
I'm just excited to finally be able to wear one for the vlogs. Made with love. Damn, finally.
Oh!
He's gonna do a test print.
Just lined it up. Gonna do a test print, make sure everything looks good. The settings are great.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. It's like $50. Wow. Woo!
So this is just one layer of white. Obviously we'll do 2 when we do the run, so it's really opaque and it's bright. I want to laser the top of the design so we can measure how far you want it from the collar.
Damn, first collab.
Woo.
Finally. Thanks, Andy. It's so cool.
Like them?
Yeah, no, I like them a lot. We got the black on the white tees.
Black on the white tees. Classic look.
Damn, we got that collab. Another one. Now, this is just a test print, guys, but damn, that looks so tight. Woo. Damn, what do you think?
Bro.
Trying to be like that one day. The first shirt. Guys, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? How you feeling, Arnold?
What?
Sick merch. How are you feeling?
These are fucking tight. Can't wait for you guys to get these.
Alright guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. If you guys want to cop these, link will be in the description below. We only have black and white. Dude, this is so surreal. I'm so hyped to have these. I can't wait to wear this shit. You guys are gonna see me wear this next video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Oh.